Hello and welcome back to the next guide. Today we're going to look at the interior of this Range Rover. We're going to show you how to clean it and why it's important to keep your car interior clean. So, as everybody knows, we love cleaning the outside of our car. There's nothing better than looking back at your car once you've washed it and admiring the finish. Now, we spend most of our time inside the car, so it makes perfect sense for us to keep the inside of the car just as clean as the outside of the car. So today we're going to show you the methods that we use to clean the inside of the car, the products that we use, as well as the tools that we use. So the first job when we're tackling the interior, just have a scout round and pick up any loose packets, any rubbish. If you've got kids like me, you'll always find sweet wrappers and that kind of thing lying around the car. So we want to get all this up and out of the way so we can clean effectively. So once we've cleared out all the loose rubbish, now we're going to go around, lift out all the floor mats. So taking the floor mats out of each footwell. The next step that we take is just to use a really soft detailing brush. Now with this we're going to get into all the vents, in and around all the black plastic parts of the dashboard, centre console, agitate all the dust out with a brush and pick up with a hoover. So once we've made our way around the vehicle with a brush and the hoover, we're now going to turn our attention to the floors and the carpets. Next up we're going to tackle all the interior plastic trims in and around the doors and the door shuts across the bottom there. Now for this we're going to use our Logic interior APC, a general purpose microfiber, and again a soft detailing brush. So next it's time to address the floor mats. First of all, we're going to start off by hoovering. Now these ones, they are overdue a deep clean, so we are going to get the extractor, using the Logic interior cleaner again through the extractor just to give them a real deep clean. Now this isn't something you do every clean. If you've got access to one, great. If not, it's not something to worry about too much. So all the carpet mats are now clean. Now time for the next part. Some people don't like carpet stripes, some people do. If you don't, skip this part. If you do, carry on watching. So we're nearing the end of the clean now. All the carpets are clean, all the plastic surfaces are clean. We're just now going to address the plastic surfaces with a satin interior detailer just to give everything a nice satin finish. So the final step in the interior clean is to clean the glass. Now for that we've got optical glass cleaner and a dual glass cloth. But that's the interior guide complete. I hope you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell.